In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Elementor template. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just starting out, mastering Elementor, a powerful page builder plugin for WordPress, can greatly enhance your ability to design stunning web pages quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Templates option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll see a submenu. From this submenu, choose Saved Templates. This is where you can manage and create your templates. You'll notice a button at the top labeled Add New. Click on that to begin creating a new template. A prompt will appear asking you to choose a type of template. You have a few options: page, section, or header. For our demonstration, let's choose page. After selecting the type, give your template a meaningful name. Naming your templates clearly is important as it helps you identify them quickly in the future, especially once you have multiple templates saved. Now that your blank template page is open in the Elementor editor, you can start adding elements to it. You'll notice a plus button and a folder icon. Click on the plus button to add a new section. This is the building block of your page where you can add columns and widgets. Once you have your section set up, decide on the layout. You can choose to have a single column or split it into multiple columns, depending on your design needs. With your section layout ready, let's move on to adding widgets. You'll see a panel on the left-hand side with a variety of widgets to choose from, such as text editor, images, buttons, and more. Simply drag and drop these widgets into your columns. As you do this, you'll notice the intuitive nature of Elementor allows you to customize each widget with ease. Click on any widget to access its settings, which is one of the powerful features of Elementor. Here, you can adjust styles, sizes, and colors to match your specific design vision. Once you're satisfied with your template's design, it's important to save your work. Return to the panel on the left and click on the green Update button at the bottom. This ensures that all your hard work is saved and can be accessed later. You also have the option to preview your template by clicking the eye icon at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This lets you see exactly how your template will look once applied to a page or post. Lastly, to use your newly created template, you simply need to go to the page or post where you want to apply it, click Edit with Elementor, and then choose the folder icon to access your templates. Select the template you just created, and it will be applied to your page, saving you time on repetitive design tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully created and managed an Elementor template. With practice, you'll become even more efficient, creating designs that wow your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.